welcome to today's episode of Learning the Digital Marketing. So today we are going to discuss 5 benefits of digital marketing as compared to the conventional or traditional marketing. So the first benefit, the most important benefit of digital marketing is that you can target your audience. So for example, if you are the advertiser, if you are running your campaigns for your own product or the company, or if you're doing that for your client, then what you can do is you can decide that to which group of people or in which territory geographically your ads should be published. So if you wish that your ads should be displayed to the people, those who are online in a particular city or a state or a nation, then you can do those settings and see to it that your ad get displayed only that people, those who fit into that criteria of geography or educational level or income or interests, or depending upon those filters, you can decide that to which audience your ads should be displayed. Those people or the audience which does not fit into that criteria, they will not get to see your advertisement. So this is the first very major important benefit of digital marketing. Now the second important benefit of digital marketing is that you can start with a very small budget. So if you don't want to put a lot of stress on your pocket, and if you want to experiment with digital marketing, so if you do that in conventional marketing, there is a limitation of doing this, because there is a certain amount below that you cannot start your marketing campaigns. If you want to put hoardings, or if you want to do newspaper advertisements, then there is a certain price tag. Below that you cannot do that. But when it comes to digital marketing, you can start with any amount. So for example, if you are a new company, or if you want to just experiment with how the results you will get with digital marketing, you can start with, let us say, 1,000 rupees. And with that budget, you can start your campaign, and then over a period of time, let us say 10 days or 8 days, you can see how that budget is performing for you. If you are getting a good ROI, that is return on investment on that budget, and then you can decide how much more you want to spend. So this is the second benefit of digital marketing, wherein you can start with the small budget. Now the third major advantage of digital marketing is that once you start a campaign in digital marketing, you can make any change to that, any number of changes you can make to your campaign in real time. So if today you start your campaign online, and tomorrow if you want that you want to change the ad copy, you want to change targeting, or you want to make some changes in the images and the messaging that is going out, you can immediately do that. There is no lock-in period. There is nothing like that. Let the campaign to run. It's a full course. That limitation is not there. You can, whenever you wish, you can make changes. Now this benefit is available to digital marketing, which is not available with conventional marketing. So the fourth benefit of digital marketing is that, you can choose to pay only for the clicks that your advertisement generates. So for example, if you're running your campaigns on different social media platforms and on search engines, but you can decide that you will pay only when someone clicks on your advertisement which is running there. So if it is visible all the day, but nobody clicks on that, then whatever the budget you have, it will stay there. So your money will not get deducted. Your money will get deducted only when someone clicks on that particular advertisement. Now this is not available with the traditional methods of advertisements. There, no matter whether people look at your advertisement or not, a certain amount of budget you will have to pay. Now the fifth and a major benefit of digital marketing is that you can track the performance of your advertisement to any extent. Like if you have multiple campaigns and multiple advertisements running across different social media platforms for different products, you can check the performance of each and every ad. You can check performance of each social media platform, and then you can fine tune your campaigns. You can decide to increase budget to a particular social media platform. You can cut down budget from some other platform, or if a particular ad copy is performing well, you can promote that ad copy, and if the one of the ad copy is not generating that many views or clicks, you can decide to cut expenses on that ad copy. So this tracking of your spend and your advertisements on micro level, this is available for with digital marketing. So these were the 5 major benefits of digital marketing. There are many other benefits also, which we will cover in coming videos. So that was all for today. If you like this video, please like and share this with your friends. Please also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.